Hello everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, we are going to have some fun with magic squares. A magic square is an n by n grid of distinct numbers where every row, column and main diagonal adds up to the same constant sum, known as the magic constant. Please note that in this video, we are only going to deal with odd number of rows and columns, that is 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 7 by 7, etc., where the number of rows and columns are odd numbers and the number of rows and columns will be same. Here we have a 3 by 3 grid with 9 boxes filled with numbers from 1 to 9. So here you can observe that if you add up 4 plus 3 plus 8, it will add up to 15. Similarly, 9 plus 5 plus 1 or 2 plus 7 plus 6, they all add up to 15. We can also add the digits along the columns, that is 4 plus 9 plus 2 or 3 plus 5 plus 7 or 8 plus 1 plus 6, they all add up to 15. And the main diagonals also add up to 15, that is 2 plus 5 plus 8 or 4 plus 5 plus 6. And we can create the magic square of any degree just in a few minutes. There are some rules for creating the magic squares and I have mentioned them on the screen. You can pause the video and read them once. But you will understand them better once we actually create the magic square. Here I would like you to do it along with me. So, pick up a paper and pen, draw a 3 by 3 grid and be ready. Let's start. Here I have marked the directions east, west, north and south for your convenience. And this is the southwest direction in which we need to move across the grid. Now, because this is a 3 by 3 grid, there will be total of 3 into 3, that is 9 numbers. So rule number 1. The first number should be placed in the middle of the last column. So last column is this and middle of the last column, here we have to write 1. So rule number 2, we always have to move in the southwest direction only. Now we have moved out of the grid. So here I cannot write 2, isn't it? So therefore, the rule number 3 is, if we move out of the grid in the south side of the grid, we have to write the next number towards the extreme left, that is towards the north. Here we have to write 2. Again from 2, we have to move in the southwest direction. So here again we have moved outside of the grid. And now rule number 4, if we move out of the grid in the west side of the grid, we have to write the next number in the box which is towards the extreme east side, that is towards upwards. So here we have to write 3. Now from 3 again we have to move diagonally in the southwest direction. But here we got an obstacle. In this box already 1 is written, so we cannot write another number here. So rule number 5. While moving in the southwest direction, if there is an obstacle, we have to write the next number just beside that in the left side. So here we have to write 4. Now again from 4, move diagonally towards the southwest direction, write 5. Again from 5, move towards the southwest direction, write 6. Now we have reached the last box of the grid in the southwest direction. So rule number 6, when we reach the last box in the southwest direction, we have to write the next number just beside that in the left side, that is 7. Now again from 7, move towards the southwest direction diagonally. Now again here we have moved out of the grid, so here we cannot write 8. So therefore we have to move upwards towards the east and write 8 here. Again from 8, move diagonally towards the southwest direction. Again here we have moved out of the grid, so here we cannot write 9. So we have to move towards the extreme left in the north direction and then write 9. That's it. We have completed the magic square. Easy, isn't it? Right now you may find it slightly difficult or confusing, but once you practice it 1 or 2 times, you will get habituated. We will also try to create magic squares of 5 by 5 grid and 7 by 7 grid. But before that, let us try to understand the properties of a magic square. So first property, the number of rows and columns will be equal. So it is either 3 by 3, 5 by 5 or 7 by 7, etc. Second, the first and last numbers lie in the same row. Here you can see that the first number is 1 and the last number is 9, which lie in the same row. Third property, we can find the number which comes in the center of the grid by this formula. Now here, the highest number in the grid is 9 because 3 by 3 is 9, 3 into 3 is 9, so there will be 9 boxes. So 9 divided by 2 will be 4.5. This number we have to round off to the next number, which is 5. So 5 is the number which comes in the center of the grid. Next, property number 4. The magic constant can be found by multiplying this number which comes in the center of the grid, that is 5, multiplying with, because this is a 3 by 3 grid, so multiply with the 3. So which is 5 into 3 is 15. So 15 is the magic constant. Next, fifth property, magic squares can be formed in many ways as shown below, depending on in which direction we are moving along the grid, the fundamental rules being the same. Now let us form a magic square with 5 by 5 grid. Here I have written all the directions, east, west, north and south for convenience, and marked the southwest direction also. Now according to the rules, the first number should be written in the middle of the last column. So 1 should be written in this box. Now from 1, move diagonally along the southwest direction. But here I cannot write 2 because we are going out of the grid. So therefore, we have to move towards extreme north towards the left and then write 2 in this box. And from 2, move diagonally and write 3 here. Again from 3, move diagonally. But here I cannot write 4. So I need to move towards extreme east, that is upwards, and then write 4 in this box. Again from 4, move diagonally and then write 5 here. And from 5, when I am moving diagonally, I am getting an obstacle because in this box already 1 is written. So I have to move towards the left, and then beside this box I need to write the next number, which is 6. And from 6, again moving diagonally in the southwest direction, write 7. Again moving diagonally, write 8. And from 8, moving again diagonally, here I am going outside of the grid. So here I cannot write 9. So I need to move towards the left, that is north, and then write 9 in this box. From 9, again moving diagonally, here I cannot write 10. So I have to move upwards towards the extreme east and then write 10 in this box. Again from 10, when I am trying to move diagonally, I have an obstacle because 6 is already written in this box. So I need to move towards the left, and then beside 10 I need to write the next number, which is 11. Now from 11, moving diagonally, I can write 12. Again moving diagonally, write 13. Next to 14. Next to 15. Now we have reached the last box of the grid. When we reach the last box of the grid, we just have to move towards the left, and beside that box we need to write the next number, 16. Again from 16, moving towards southwest direction diagonally. Here I cannot write 17. So I need to move towards extreme east, that is upwards, and then write 17 here. Again from 17, moving diagonally, we are coming outside of the grid. So I cannot write 18 here. So I need to move towards extreme north towards the left and then write 18 here. Again from 18, moving diagonally, I can write 19. Again diagonally, write 20. Now when I try to move diagonally from 20, I have an obstacle. 16 is already written in this box. So I need to move towards the left and then write 21. Again from 21, move diagonally and then write 22 in this box. Again from 22, when we try to move diagonally, we are going outside of the grid. So here I cannot write 23. So we need to move towards extreme east, that is upwards, and then write 23 in this box. From 23, again moving diagonally towards southwest direction. Here I can write 24. And again from 24, trying to move along the southwest direction, I'm going outside of the box. So here I cannot write 25. So I need to move towards extreme north towards the left, and then in this box I need to fill up 25. So magic square is completed. Here you can see that the maximum number that we got here is 25 because 5 into 5 is 25. And the center of the box is 13. That is 25 by 2 will give us 12.5, rounding off to the next number which gives us 13. And to find the magic constant, we need to multiply 13 with 5. So that is 13 5 is 65. So if we add up all the digits along the rows, along the columns, or along the main diagonals, we get 65. So I hope that by now you understood all the rules for creating a magic square properly. Now let's create another magic square of grid 7 by 7. And now I'm not going to write all the directions here. Straight away, let us fill up all the numbers in the grid. Now it's a 7 by 7 grid. So therefore 7 7s is 49. So maximum number that can come is 49. Now pause the video and try to create the magic square of 7 by 7 grid on your own. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Done? Okay. Now I'm not going to explain all the rules and all. I'm going to straight away fill up all the numbers in this grid. Let us see how much time does it take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So for this magic square of 7 by 7 grid, the magic constant would be 25 into 7, which is 175. Here the 25 is in the center of the grid. So therefore 175 is the magic constant. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video.